Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm back today to share with you the final square of the Bloomscape 2023 crochet along that has been hosted by Krista of the Secret Yarnery, and this is the final square of that crochet along, and this is the 3D hibiscus flower. Now I was debating about changing this square because when I first started doing it, I wanted to do it in this blue. And I didn't realize until after I had got farther along just how much this blue is blending in with this green. But I decided that I'm going to keep it as it is. I do like this flower. I believe it may be my favorite flower in the whole crochet along. And I may do some more of these in some different colors later on. But let me tell you about the square. This middle color is the big twist in the grape. And the blue is the big twist in the sky blue. And I'm really happy with it. I do wish that I had realized beforehand just how much that was going to blend in. But I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to change it. And all I have got to do is put the final edging, the cream colored edging along here. And then I will be able to join my squares together. But if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to be reminded of when I put up new content, just please subscribe to my channel. But thanks for watching, and thank you so much for all of my returning viewers. Thanks. Bye-bye.